Hi everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to convert this pivot table into a pivot chart. So click anywhere inside this pivot table and go to pivot chart and select the column chart. Column chart because it is best for comparing categories. So click OK and that's it. A pivot chart is created. But hold on, creating a chart is not a big task. So in the next minute, I will show you the feature that makes pivot charts much more powerful than Excel charts. But before we continue, take a look at this chart. Can you identify the highest selling product and lowest selling product? Probably yes. Like laptop is the highest selling product and keyboard is the lowest selling product. Right? So that's how chart makes us easy to understand the data faster than tables. Okay, so now let's take a look at the feature what I mentioned. So unlike a normal chart, the pivot chart is connected to the pivot tables. Okay, so if any changes made in this pivot table will automatically reflect in the pivot charts too. So let me show you how. Let's filter the pivot table for any specific reason, like for north. The pivot table updates so as on pivot charts. You noticed I didn't create any other pivot charts for a specific north region, or I also did not make any manual changes also. Right? So this way the pivot table instantly reflects the changes made in the pivot table, and this is what makes the pivot chart extremely useful for reporting and analysis. Now let's see how we can change the chart type. Okay, click on the chart and go to design, and there is a change chart type. There's a different types of charts. Column, what I have already told you, this is for comparing categories. Line chart, this is to show trends over time. And the pie chart, this shows like what category contributes what percentage of totals. Okay, so for now, just to make sure like how to change chart type, we can click OK, and in this way the chart changes. Okay, but as I said, here I am comparing categories, so I will keep the column chart here. Okay, so here is a quick tip, practical tip. Like many beginners do mistakes, they choose chart because they looks beautiful. Okay, but a good chart does not just look good, it communicates information clearly. Like a column chart tells us that laptop is the highest selling product in north region. Right, this is best for comparing categories. So that's all about our today's video on pivot charts. In next video, we will continue our pivot chart series in more advanced. So in today's video, we learned about how to convert a pivot tables into pivot charts, and we also seen there are multiple different types of charts. Okay, so if you want to watch more videos on Excel and UX UI content, do subscribe the channel and leave a like. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.